What if I told you there's a place in the universe where time dies, light disappears, and even science has no answers? A place so terrifying that once you enter, you can never come back. That place is inside a black hole. Imagine floating alone in space, and suddenly a giant dark circle appears in front of you. No sound, no light, just darkness, a black hole. Scientists say its gravity is so powerful, even light cannot escape it. But the real horror begins inside. At the center of a black hole lies something called a singularity, a point so small yet infinitely dense, where the laws of physics completely break down. This equation explains gravity, but near a black hole, even this stops making sense. Time itself starts slowing down. If you fell into a black hole, to someone watching from Earth, you would appear frozen forever. But for you, seconds would feel normal, until your body is stretched like spaghetti by extreme gravity. Scientists call this horrifying process spaghettification. And then comes the biggest mystery, what's actually inside? Some theories entire universes. Others believe they could be portals through space and time. And some scientists fear information entering a black hole is destroyed forever, something that should be impossible in physics. Even today, humanity has no final answer. The deeper we study black holes, the more terrifying they become. Because beyond the event horizon, not even science can see the truth.